Hi everyone, today we're reviewing the AeroPress. This is one of these easy devices you can purchase to make a single cup of coffee. And this is basically the exact amount, plus or minus, if you put it all the way to the top, of how much you're gonna get. So this is about 350 milliliters of coffee. And it is pretty decent quality in terms of the coffee you're gonna get. It's not watered down. So if you haven't already, feel free to comment down below if you have used AeroPress. Happy to hear your thoughts on it. And press the like button or subscribe so I can make more videos. But let's jump right into it. First off, it comes in 3 different components. You've got this little rubberized component, which I'll show you. I'm gonna take it off in a moment here. But you basically, let me go ahead and take this one off and show you how it works. All right, so you can see right here, this is a little rubberized item on the bottom of it. And you can see there's coffee grounds, but right inside there, there's a filter, which I'll show you, and you just put a scoop using this little scooper they provide you of coffee grinds. You can only fill up the water all the way up to here, so you can see level 4. I put it a little bit higher than that, and I let it drip down in there. So you're probably going to get not even 350, you're going to get 300 milliliters of coffee. But once it goes down, you can kind of push this down like you saw earlier and kind of squeeze out the coffee down below. Now you guys may be asking, is there a filter? How does it work? Well, let me go ahead and show you that as well. There's this little compartment thing you can see, and you can unscrew it, and there's a small little white filter they provide you to put underneath that so the coffee grounds don't go down. And you can see from the holes, that's where the coffee basically separates with the watering coming down. Overall, very easy, very intuitive, pretty straightforward device. In my opinion, this is for somebody that just wants to drink only 1 cup of coffee and that's it. For those that are trying to make more cups of coffee or have 2 or 3 cups of coffee, this may not work out for you. But if you're just wanting 1 cup, start off your day, this is a pretty good device. It's not that expensive. I'll leave a link down below in the description. Overall, the coffee that it produces is pretty strong. It's not watered down. And in my opinion, it's pretty easy to clean, remove the items, and reuse the next day. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Again, I'll leave a link down below in the description if you guys are interested to purchase this. Comment down below if you use the AeroPress. AeroPress makes a couple different products. This is one of their products. They have another one that is actually glass and stainless steel, which I thought was pretty cool for those that are not wanting a plastic solution. However, that one's like roughly 200 bucks. If you guys are interested in that one, comment down below. I can be able to do a review probably on that as well. With that said, thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the next video.